Having trouble with iMessage on your T-Mobile iPhone? You're not alone. Common problems include waiting for activation errors, messages sending as green SMS instead of blue iMessage, and complete messaging failure. These issues often stem from eSIM, SIM card problems, incorrect carrier settings, or Wi-Fi connectivity conflicts. As of late 2025, even with updates like iOS 18.4 and T-Mobile's eSIM Boost, a percentage of T-Mobile iPhone users still face these hurdles. A SIM subscriber identity module is a physical card inserted into the iPhone, while an eSIM is a digital equivalent embedded in the device. eSIMs offer easier switching between carriers but require precise activation. On T-Mobile, eSIM setups may fail iMessage if the device's IMEI isn't properly linked to the account, leading to not registered errors. Physical SIMs are more forgiving but prone to hardware faults. Incorrect or outdated settings block iMessage's cellular data path, forcing it to Wi-Fi only. If Wi-Fi calling is enabled, it can interfere with cellular iMessage if the network isn't optimized.